Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit your ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's time!
Hello!
Hello!
Welcome back to Ratchet Clank.
Look
at
what
our
I
Super
have.
Soaker.
What is it? A hydro displacer.
Yeah, whatever he said.
I always wanted one of those.
It's a squirt gun.
Squirt, 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 squirt.
You could use it for squirting people.
Mm-hmm. Right. What shall I do now?
Hey, what was that? Oh, that's just a thing for the door.
Yep.
It looked more interesting than it was.
What's in here?
This shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned Larg warship. Our scanners indicate that there may be use.
Oh, you can go to another level from this.
Yes.
That's weird. Oh, it's just off to the side. It's still part of the level. Well, that's cool. There's a little side level in this level.
Beam me up, Ratchet.
The blog are like racing this that just took bollocks.
Blarg, 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 blarg.
Hey, we're the blog. How are you today, blog?
Like the South Park race.
Wait, what?
Like the South Park race.
Who in South Park does that?
I don't know, that sounded like Mr Garrison.
That's not how Mr Garrison sounds. I suppose he does a little bit. Ain't a
Do my
race.
bidding.
That's one character.
Do my bidding.
Right, maybe this whole species is just Mr Garrisons. Sugar my chambers.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, hey, children. That's how he talks. He's a higher pitch and more
Oh,
upbeat
shiver me
about
timbers.
things. Oh, shiver me timbers. Oh, jeez. That's how he talks, isn't it?
It is. Hey there, kids.
And he's in like an endless war with a race of like Mr. Mackeys.
Okay.
We're gonna kill y'all. Okay.
You can do it. It's all up to you. Okay. Okay. I like the film. The film was really good.
I haven't seen the film in a very, very long time. I like the game. I am so excited for the next one. We were playing the game, but it's just a bit slow to play for something like this. It's more fun to play on your own than to record.
Well, that's one dead, I think.
No,
Was that
oh no, yeah, just one. You are nearly dead though yourself. Go, tiny robots.
Yes, tiny robots. You did my bidding.
Get health immediately. You're alive! Push the big red button. I don't know what it does, but push it because it's a big red button. Yes.
Yes.
Definitely press it. Yay! We're dead!
Yeah, we done gone fucked ourselves here.
We got a thing. You actually need that, don't you?
Yeah.
They always tell you about new planets.
Yeah.
Perfect. Maybe it's going to give you the racing planet. I want to see a race. Oh, you got to run like fuck. On the left it was, I think.
Yeah. Piss
Dodge,
off, guys.
left. Get away, dinosaur crabs. Oh no, poisonous
Ah,
gas.
fuck. I forgot about this.
Well, that was unexpected. I'm going to go through the whole ship again. Shit. Make sure you've got more health this time. Play it safe. You're going to need it for that last bit. And lost a bit. And 2 bits. Come on, man! Nice. Nice, nice. I like it. Glove of Doom. Triple glove. I killed one of them. Oh, there you go.
Killed all of them now.
There's health on the right-hand side, remember?
I know. Just got to reload my gadgets. Reload.
Don't use the thing at the bottom because the TNT. Oh no, it's probably already exploded, isn't it? I was saying help you jump up there quicker.
Thank you for
She can
selecting
jump
the
on top of it.
automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal
How'd you get past the gas?
Jump over it, I think.
Oh, that box isn't there anyway. You made the jump pretty smoothly that time. Go, 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 go. Oh, it just stops.
This vessel will self-destruct.
That doesn't matter, that's fine, keep going.
So you should leave.
Fuck, you can't go here again. Mind the gas, mind the gas!
Oh, so close.
Play it safe, you had 17 seconds, that was the exit. Stop rushing everything.
Fuck off, frogs.
These Buzz Lightyear motherfuckers. There must be a Toy Story. I feel like I've played a Toy Story game that was quite...
There was a Toy Story game. I think that was only on PC though.
I feel like I've had a console one. Or someone's had a console one and I've played it. Tell you what, I found the box for, but I don't know where the game is on PC. The Muppets Muppets Treasure Island film. There was a game for that on PC.
Any good?
It's a puzzle game, I think. I remember it being funny though.
Okay, we've seen the animation. Let's just skip it. Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 get that robot off this ship.
Please remove
Try
all
not to
personal
die from
belongings.
gas and shit.
Or from farting? Or...
Yes. Don't fart while you're running, because it will attract enemies. There we go, you're using the guns now. Run.
Seriously.
30 seconds, keep going, keep going.
Kidding.
Keep going, keep going, yes! Yes! Run past it, fuck it. Don't need to fight him. Yes! Yay! You just killed, like, some people, but yay!
I'm sure that ship was uninhabited.
It's okay, it was only the blur. No, it wasn't, because there were people there and you killed most of them before blowing the ship up.
On the bright side, yeah.
But at least now you've got a new sat-nav.
Yes! Yes, that's for the other planet.
Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City. We've just learned that
Darcy
Japan
Graf.
is presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic World Championship.
Look at the guy in the background.
Which will be held here over the next few days.
Better get ate by that
Roar.
Slimer wizard.
News,
It gets
planet has
better.
recently been suffering from an
Jeez.
infestation
Oh.
of
Do eat her as well.
Oh, I'm on
His
TV.
administration has assured
Hi,
his reporter
Mom.
that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances.
He's a bit like a Rayman bad guy.
But that's the bit everyone wanted to see.
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking.
She's
about-
clearly not fine, Ratchet. She is clearly dead.
She's alive just inside of him because she's a robot.
I'm quite
Time.
curious as to what's down here.
Hopefully health, because you're about to die. Watch out for gas. And ceiling frogs. And that's the end of you. Does that put you back with full health?
Yeah.
You'll be fine then. At least you got the thing. You got off that ship. So is that the level with
Yeah, the
races
race.
and you
Yes.
go there now? Cool. There are a lot of races.
I can't remember.
It's probably like most games like this. There's probably one you have to do and then optional other races.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Fuck off, frogs.
You're gonna die again. Shoot that guy. Acquire health.
Need a little help with these enemies?
Help.
Try a Gadgetron Taunter. Available at any Gadgetron vendor.
Taunter doesn't sound like it's going to stop enemies. It sounds like it's just going to taunt them.
That's pretty much it.
There's no health. Dang. It's been a while since you've seen any goddamn health. Unless we miss some. There's some. Just keep running. Get the health.
Fuck you, frogs. Fuck you, frogs.
Keep going. You don't need to fight them. You could lockpick your way through that. Whatever was on the right. There's health up there as well. Well, kind of not worth it if you're going to die on the way.
Well, I died. Fuck it. I'll just go into the...
Just going to go do the race levels.
We all know that's what you wanted to see.
I do want to see the races because I want to know what they're like. I like racing in this kind of game because it's usually kind of shit but in a fun way. Do you ever play Star Wars pod racing?
I've played it in the arcade.
Oh, I know there's an arcade version.
There is.
It was on N64. That was fun.
The arcade one's alright. Not my favourite racing game, but... Please be the right planet.
The planet will go.
Yep, that's the right planet.
You can tell by that grey, desolate space behind it.
Yeah.
It wasn't grey at all. Blue. It's a bluish grey space. That is a big old city.
They built this city on, well, a marshland by the looks of it.
We built this city after years of making the foundation stable.
Doesn't have the same ring to it. But 10 out of 10 for accuracy. Right, now, am I going the right way?
Oh, weird, spirally. What's that thing? Push that thing.
I'll show you. Well, it's not that. It's this.
Squirt it! Or you could just drain it with that.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Is that an attack or is that just like a function?
It's a function.
You can't squirt people to death.
Nah.
Or you just
sadly not.
fill it back up. That's still pretty cool. This game is quite clever with the different like ideas for the weapons.
Yeah.
I like that they're all like tools and stuff.
Or put up. This is either the way to another gadget or to the race. Can't remember which one.
How was that it? It's just like an unnecessary power.
Oh yeah, I know why I did it. So I could clear the pathway before swimming into it.
What? Oh, because there were the things.
Yeah.
Like the grates. That makes sense.
Oh no, Ratchet is dying.
Because he got like a really fucked up drowning animation.
Yeah.
Games are always like very willing to have people drown and shit. It's quite fucked up.
Yeah.
Sonic drowning is really fucked up.
I've never seen that.
Zelda drowning. Link drowning in Zelda is pretty fucked up.
Uh-oh.
In Ocarina of Time.
Come on, swim faster. Not underwater.
Is it in Ocarina of Time? No, I don't know. One of them's got a really fucked up death animation.
I can't remember how to swim fast. Well, that's not it.
You're swimming quite fast when you're underwater. Is it not just... What's the run button? Is there a run button?
I don't think there is.
Maybe you can't swim fast that. Maybe you have to swim underwater to swim fast. Because look, you go so much faster when you're underwater. That's it. You got air, I think. You can go up. I was wrong. Quickly,
shit,
before you die.
shit.
Oh, that is fucked. He does straight up just drown. Try and stay underwater and only pop up every now and then if you swim faster when you're underwater.
Or I could just try and avoid.
Oh yeah, try and keep ahead of it in general anyway.
Yeah.
Don't turn around for bolts or anything, just keep going. Oh, you're further ahead than you were last time. Back off. Back off.
Ah! Fuck! No!
Where'd you go to get out?
I don't know!
Follow the path still. Keep
Ah,
going that
there.
way, that way, that way, that way. Go underwater because it's faster. And now you have to go under. And back up. And it's completely full. Fucking hell. Doesn't give you much time, does it? How were you supposed to stay ahead of that? They really want you to die.
When you're underwater, push X harder to rise more quickly.
You can't push a button harder. It doesn't have any sensitivity. It's a PS2.
Well, I got further than I did last time.
Yeah, you're just going to have to try and keep ahead of it. But I think it's still, that same thing's going to happen on that bit. It's not very forgiving, is it?
Nope.
Even on this run, it's caught up to you a little bit more because you had to climb that one bit. That's it. Keep going. Run, run, run. Ah! Fills up from both sides. It's not even like it trickles over onto this next bit. When you've got no sense of navigation. Yes, well done. Keep going. Camera angle is going to kill you. Follow the yellow. Follow the... That's it, straight forward. Go down and up again. There's no way you can get through that. What are you supposed to do?
I don't know.
When you're underwater, push the X button harder.
Ah,
more quickly.
fuck it.
You just got to hold it for longer to swim faster. Right, are you tapping
just
it?
rise. Just rise.
But that's what it's telling you to do. It says you go faster if you press it harder.
Not the case at all.
Then why is it saying that?
Right, so we're not too far from where we need to be.
Yeah, but you've got to get through this bit and not drown.
I mean, from the point where I last died.
No, you keep
fuck's
going
sake.
back to the beginning. Every time you drown, you go back to the beginning. You not notice this is the same bit every time?
Yeah, I know, but compared to the bit where I last died, we're a lot closer to the end than we were end point.
Yeah.
Fuck!
There must be a way to go faster than that.
When you're underwater, push the
No, I
X
give
button
up with
harder
this.
to rise.
Do you not need to do that bit? Well, you have to. That's the only way you can go, isn't it? What's this planet called?
Just right, Blackwater City.
There must be a technique that's not working.
No, not Stooge.
that's helpful for them. When you're in the tunnel, simply keep pressing R1 and X to use the helipack thruster. Helipack or thruster pack. Just try to go forward really fast. What? Just keep jumping, I think it's saying, when you get out of the water. When you're in the tunnels. I'm going to find other help, because this doesn't sound like solid advice.
Push the X button harder to rise more quickly.
But it does sound like you're not the only person with this problem.
I've done it before.
So make sure your swimming is completely accurate. No, it basically just says you've got to just do it well.
Well, that doesn't help.
So on these kind of bits, just keep jumping. In the tunnels, I mean. You definitely go faster when you're underwater. I think you need to go underwater when it's at your feet. Swim forward and then just pop up every now and then. But they don't give you any pockets of air here.
And the irritating thing is I know we're close to the end as well.
You're right, you're getting slightly further each time. We're going to try it one more time and then we'll leave it for now.
Yeah.
This is it. Make or break.
Do or die.
That's better. Also, supposedly you can dodge these creatures at the beginning. You don't need to attack them. You can just run past them. Or jump around them or something, it said. Oh, not like that. Right.
Come on, get up, get up!
This might not be the do or die one, because I think you're now fucked. Actually, you seem to have been slightly faster. Because usually that monster gets destroyed by the time you get there. So maybe if you can get the angle on that first bit right, you can just jump past it and that'll save you time, rather than walking around those curves. Go under. Yeah, you don't have enough air to get through this tunnel, do you? Ah! Let's leave it at that. We'll try it next time. That's it for this episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, just for funsies. Yeah, but he looks a little bit like him. They've got the same nose.
I need your chainsaw to chop up
It's not unrealistic that Mo could actually be Nelson
Well, didn't he
Stats.
meet his dad?